Hello everyone! If you're wondering how to fold a Sealy Air mattress with headboard, you're in the right place. Sealy Air mattresses are renowned for their comfort and durability, but figuring out how to properly fold them for storage can be a bit tricky. Don't worry though, in this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to ensure your mattress is neatly folded and ready to store until your next cozy slumber. Step 1. Deflate the mattress. The first step in folding your Sealy Air mattress with headboard is deflating it completely. Locate the air valve, typically found at the mattress's foot or side. Open the valve and let the air escape naturally. To speed up the process, you can gently press down on the mattress to help expel the air. For mattresses equipped with a built-in pump, use the deflate setting to ensure complete air removal. Step 2. Flatten and smooth the mattress. Once your mattress is deflated, take a moment to flatten and smooth out any remaining air pocket. Spread the mattress out on a clean, dry surface, ensuring the headboard and seams are flat. This will make folding the mattress much easier and help prevent any wrinkles or creases from forming during storage. Step 3. Fold the mattress lengthwise. With the mattress laid flat, it's time to start folding. Begin by folding the mattress lengthwise. Bring one side of the mattress over to the other, aligning the edges as closely as possible. For mattresses with a headboard, align the headboard sections and gently press down to flatten further. Step 4. Fold the mattress in thirds. Next, take one end of the mattress and fold it towards the center. Repeat with the opposite end to form a compact rectangle. It's important to ensure that the headboard section is folded neatly, tucking it in as you go. This technique helps maintain the structural integrity of the headboard, keeping it in good shape for future use. Step 5. Secure the folded mattress. To keep your folded Sealy Air mattress secure and in place, you can use straps or ties if they are available. Many air mattresses come with built-in straps designed for easy storage. If not, standard bungee cords or luggage straps can serve as an effective alternative. This step prevents the mattress from unfolding while in storage. Step 6. Store in a cool, dry place. Finally, store your folded Sealy Air mattress in a cool, dry place away from sharp objects or extreme temperatures. A storage bag or the original packaging is ideal for keeping dust and moisture at bay. Taking care in how you store your mattress ensures it remains in excellent condition and prolongs its lifespan. Folding a Sealy Air mattress with headboard doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, deflating, flattening, folding lengthwise, folding in thirds, securing and storing properly, you'll ensure that your mattress is ready for its next. Remember, taking a little extra time to fold and store your mattress properly can save you time and hassle in the future. Now that you've learned how to fold a Sealy Air mattress with headboard, you're all set for seamless storage or your next adventure. Sleep well.